Hey everyone, so I want to show you an extension I like to use, especially when I'm learning a new tool and I want to be able to watch the tutorial video and work at the same time, and that's a split tab. So I'm going to open a new tab and I'm going to go to the Chrome Web Store, and in the Chrome Web Store I'm going to search for split tab and you just click Add to Chrome and it will tell you what it does, and you click Add Extension and the extension appears here by default. And then when you're ready, so we'll pretend this is our YouTube video and this is where I want to work, you just go ahead and you click there, and it's going to give us, because it was recently updated, it's telling us that there are some new shortcut keys. And then normally when you click the split tab button, you take into here and you can decide what configuration you want your tabs to take. I like the side-by-side for watching videos, so I'll have a video playing here, especially if I want to learn how to use a new tool like an editing extension, and here I can watch and work in this tab while this tab continues to play. I find it very useful, especially again when I want to learn a new skill and I want to work as I watch. Hopefully that's helpful for some of you.